Hey guys, here the Residual Hustler, and I want to hopefully help you from making the same mistake that I did. I sent out a package that I fulfilled by merchant here from my garage, and I sent it out USPS, the post office. I went on my computer, I printed out the tag, printed out the label, got my tracking number, the whole 9 yards. I went to the post office. I dropped it off. Thought it was on the way to the customer. Good to go. That was almost a month ago. And then the other day I get a message from that buyer saying, hey, I never got my chips. The tracking number shows that it never left. So I go and I look at it in my Seller Central. I see it's there. I see it hasn't moved. And it's like 28 days. So I go to the post office, and I show them the tracking number. I said, can you track this? They say, we're not even showing that it's here, that it's scanned, blah, blah, blah. And then they said, do you have your receipt? You know, the receipt that USPS gives you when you go and ship something out, to give you a receipt. And I said, no, this was almost a month ago. I threw the receipt away. And they said, without the receipt, they can't do anything. They can't even prove that it was scanned or that I even dropped it off. And I said, I dropped it off here. And they said, well, we don't think you did. So it's my word against theirs. I had to refund my customer $40. So God knows where the package is. And I had to refund the customer $40. I did it without hesitation to not put any marks on my Amazon account. So the point of this short video is keep all of your USPS slips just in case, because if I would have had my slip and I would have showed it to the woman behind the counter, it may have resolved the issue and I might not have been out $40 for that one sale. So hope that helps. Just remember this in the future. When you get those receipts, keep them. So go to residualhustler.com for more info. I'll see you on the next one.